What up, Hyperchange? Welcome to another episode of Moonshot Monday. Today I'm going to pitch that Instagram should buy Dreams. Dreams is a new startup based here in New York City, founded just under 2 years ago, that has an app that allows you to watch TV on your phone. Now, what's so special about this is they have essentially reformatted all sorts of content into a vertically native style that is perfectly suited for your phone and allows you to watch TV like this. So through a friend of a friend, I actually met someone that worked at Dreams a couple weeks ago, downloaded the app on my phone for the meeting, and just more and more over the past couple weeks have found myself checking the app, and now I almost use it on a daily basis to watch shows before I go to bed or when I wake up in the morning or when I'm bored. And I've just realized that they've hit the nail on the head on just an intuitive and really simple and clean way to engage with video content on your phone. So Dreams is an app that only has about 8 channels. You don't really get to decide what you can watch. It's sort of like old school TV in a way, where you just sort of swipe through the different channels. One of their founders has an excellent quote about the product, which is, "We wanted to remove the burden of choice." And so I just love the way that you just open the app, you don't have to sign up, you don't have to log in, you're instantly just thrown into this content. They have channels like the Animal Planet, Food Network, Home Garden TV, Bloomberg, the Discovery Channel. So there's always something to watch, sort of whatever mood I'm in, even though there's only 8 of them. But what's even bigger than, the content they have and how interesting it is, just the way that you can seamlessly move through content is just so intuitive. And I just think they've captured, they've built just an incredibly beautiful product. Dreams isn't just some startup out of nowhere. The company is founded by 2 ex-Google engineers. They've raised $5 million in May 2018 of this year from top-tier venture capital firms like New Enterprise Associates, Silicon Valley Angels. Additionally, Kevin Durant is involved in the angel round as well. So they're really well funded. A ton of sharp people are working at the company. They only launched the app about 6 or 8 months ago. Now, I couldn't find much traction or usage data about the app, but I did check the App Annie statistics, and it does look like it is declining in relevance a little bit. So I have no idea how many people are using the app on a daily basis, but I also think it is important to note that I believe the app is still sort of in beta mode, and from what I can tell, they're planning to do some sort of redesign of the product pretty soon, and then I'm assuming they'll do a big marketing push time with that redesign. So that's why I'm not placing too much weight on the engagement or user data today, because the product is what matters, and this product is absolutely stunning. Like, I encourage you all to download the app and use it. So now, why is Instagram a good choice to buy Dreams? Why does this make so much sense? Well, you might have noticed that Instagram, about a month or 2 ago, made a huge splash when it announced a new standalone app called IGTV, Instagram TV. This is essentially a mobile-first YouTube competitor, or competitor to YouTube Mobile, where you can watch longer form video content on your phone. Prior to this, Instagram capped all the videos on its platform at 1 minute, but now on Instagram TV, you can upload videos that are 10 minutes long. They're sort of supposed to be higher quality. It looks like they paid a ton of creators, or really enticed and pushed a bunch of creators to put content on IGTV early, right at launch, to start to get engagement. And I gotta say, ever since IGTV's launch, I was super bullish on it. I was super excited about there being another YouTube competitor, about Instagram sort of stepping their foot into the space where eventually they could pay creators to put content on their platform, which is what I think they want to do with IGTV. But the problem is the app has totally flopped. All of the data I can find says that engagement is tanking since they launched it. I personally, was trying to use the app to learn how to play with it, and just found myself never tuning into IGTV, totally the opposite of Dreams, which I watch all the time. So Instagram is tried to build and spent millions of dollars and a huge marketing launch around this mobile-first, vertically centered TV product, which Dreams has already perfectly built. And why I think there's such a powerful combination here, even beyond Instagram wanting to make a move into this space and Dreams having the perfect UI, is that the content is a perfect pair. Dreams is already focused on sort of old school or more traditional content like Bloomberg, like Animal Planet, these established big budget networks, while the Instagram TV is all about creators, MKBHD, Gary Vee. Individual creators are really who IGTV is catering towards. But I think if they merge these 2 content styles, and then when I was swiping through the Dreams app, I could, see Bloomberg on one slide, then instantly swipe, and then I'm watching Hyperchange on the next, and then I'm watching, another creator there. I just think that, bringing together this duality of both creators and legacy content is really going to be the holy grail of a mobile video platform, and make it all in one. And so I just think it would be such a powerful combination to integrate sort of the 2 products into one unifying source. And what's so amazing about this is Dreams, because they're so young, because they have such minimal traction, because it's so early, my guess is the company probably raised their $5 million round earlier this year at about $30 million, $40 million valuation. Instagram could probably buy them out, or Facebook could probably buy them out for, $50 to $100 million, which is absolutely nothing. They have about 40 billion in cash on their balance sheet right now that is just sitting there doing nothing. So they could literally snap their fingers and write a check to buy Dreams overnight. Additionally, one of the co-founders of Dreams was actually an employee at Instagram, the 7th employee at Instagram, joining in 2011, working there for 3 years right before the Facebook acquisition. So there is a lot of history and sort of, intermingling between the employees of Instagram and Dreams. So I just think there's a ton of synergies here. And the bottom line is just the intuitive UI and product feel that Dreams has built is something that every big tech company is trying to do on mobile, and Dreams has done it first. So I think they should instantly be acquired. I mean, my guess is if Dreams comes out with a redesign of their app, starts pushing the marketing, they're going to get huge engagement. The valuation is going to go through the roof, and they're going to become more and more of an IGTV competitor by the day, which is why it's so strategic for Instagram to buy them out now. Anyway, so that wraps up this episode of Moonshot Monday. Instagram should buy Dreams for $50 to $100 million and integrate it with IGTV and finally perfect the mobile vertical format video first app that we all know is going to be a multi-billion, $10 billion, $100 billion, whatever standalone product if they can get it right. So I think this is a no-brainer for Instagram to make the acqui-hire, to get the talent, to get the UI. Anyway, if you have any questions, comments, definitely leave it below. Would love to know what you think. Also, if you like Hyperchange, definitely check out our Patreon page and consider supporting there. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.